Hey, quick question. Have you ever said college when you actually meant institute? College, university, institute, school, academy. They all mean a place of higher education, right? But they're not the same at all. University mainly means a big comprehensive school, usually made up of several colleges. People often just say college when talking about universities in general. She is studying biology at a large university. College often means a school inside a university with fewer subjects, or it can be its own smaller higher education school. He got into the College of Engineering at his university. School, in this sense, means a college or a department within a university. She is applying to the School of Law next semester. Institute is a school set up for one special subject, like a foreign language institute or an architecture institute. He studied robotics at a technology institute. Academy is a specialized higher education school or a school built for serious academic research. She trained at a military academy before becoming an officer. So next time, just ask, is it broad and comprehensive? Is it inside a university? Is it a department? Is it one special subject? Or is it specialized research? That is your word.